Well, 1 minute. I need to put in the news station. And I'm on Awesomeness 7868. So, because somebody told me to go on this channel. Because I'm the producer for this channel and it always entertaining me. We're gonna make little candles. I made this one. One minute. Sonny, this is a fancy restaurant. Sonny, this is a fancy restaurant. You can't just go cuckoo for Cocoa Pops.
What?
They're munchy,
but you're showing him.
and chocolatey. Please say chocolatey. Please say chocolatey twice. And chocolatey. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. I'm gonna go for Cocoa Puffs. 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 I like this channel. Make sure you watch it. And please send in an email to me and Leah if you like it. Thank you. We are going to work.